Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you follow somebody into your Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to follow somebody, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, just normally go to this little Binance icon into the top left corner. And after going there, you will get to see this Square option directly. Tap to Square, and after tapping into Square, you will get to see so many discover posts into here. Now you can just simply select any of the profile that you would like to follow and tap to this follow icon, and this way the person will be followed very easily. Now, in order to find the profiles in order to follow, you can also use the search button into here, and after searching the username, the profile will be appeared into your screen, and you can similarly follow them too. This way you can easily follow anyone that you like or anybody's content you like into your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.